Okay, people, I told the kids to get dressed. We are going to Costco. See what Zita is wearing. Tista.
Yeah?
Is this a music video or something? Like, what is going on
Mommy,
here?
should I get a mask?
No, you don't need a mask, my love. What is going on here? We're just going to Costco, Mama.
Well, I picked one of your jackets.
Please, Mom. Mommy, I want a
Why?
mask.
I picked it out yesterday because
Why do you want a mask?
I picked it out yesterday because I
I don't know,
thought
Mom.
I was going to
Just
school,
please,
but
Mom.
I'm not going to school.
Just please.
I think-
Let me finish talking to Zita because I feel like you just want to interrupt me.
I don't.
Okay,
Mom.
then let me finish talking to Zita.
Well, I picked out these clothes because I thought I was going to school today, but I'm not. So I'm gonna wear these clothes.
So if you were going to school, you'd be wearing my jacket to school. Why?
Yes, because I wore it for Fancy Friday.
No, you didn't wear my jacket.
Yes, I did.
This one?
No, I wore a pink one, but it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. Like it's the same my jacket.
No, it's your jacket.
That's what I'm saying. But you can't wear all my jackets. I can let you wear some, but not all of them.
Yes, I can.
Oh my Lord, she's done. Hey, Mr. Williams.
Yeah, Wells, what do you want?
What do you want now, Wells?
Or
Can you put your hood on, please?
he wants a max.
Can you put your hood on or go find a cap?
Yeah, Wells, your hair is messy.
Your hair's messy and you won't let me touch it. We need to go to the barber, Wells.
No.
Well, me and Wells, we are dressed like normal people going to Costco. She's dressed like she's
Mama,
going
we're supposed to go to the barber. Yes, we're supposed to be going to the barber yesterday.
No barber
Yeah,
shop.
maybe after tomorrow.
No barber shop.
Wait, no, they said they're only open on Sunday.
No, they open every day.
Okay.
Come on, guys, let's go. So, people, what do you think with Zita's Costco outfit?
But what about mine?
What about yours?
Yeah, yours is just normal.
She said yours is just normal. Was you look fine too.
Me too?
Yeah, you do.
Too.
Go get in the car. Jesus.
Oh!
Wells, shouldn't you be what? Mama, close the door. Close the door. Wells, come. Yeah. Mama, close the door. Shouldn't you be learning how to open the door for your sister?
Yeah, well,
Eh?
open it.
Hey, gentleman, open the door for your sister. No, open it fully, Wells. There you go. Make sure she's in properly before you close.
Close it now.
Thank you, Wells. You're awesome. Give me a hug, baby. Good job.
Mommy, stop. I told you don't laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you. When did I laugh? All right, go.
Yeah.